Just a little tour in my town. Not much. Brendan is in front of me. Say hi, Brendan.
Hi, everybody. Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
Don't get him. Well, now I'm done.
Why?
Oh, look at this house. Let him move. It's white.
Yeah.
Big, wide, move. Gotta go with... Is this a hill? Yeah, it's a hill, but...
All you're seeing here is my charger, guys.
Douglas?
I think, no, this is 6.
Oh, okay.
We'll be right back, guys.
I remember this road.
Okay, guys, we're back. And Brendan is right there.
Drinking my cold red.
Yeah, drinking his cold red. We'll be right back. Fuck, Grandma.
Oh, I know where we are now.
I know where we are, too.
It just takes us right to our tree.
Yeah.
So now I know where to go if we just want to go take a little ride. We'll come back straight back home.
Yeah.
Now we know where to go if Mom only gives us an hour. Take this tree, go back on the tree, go back home. Come home, get tree. Come out, get tree, go take this tree, go take tree home. And that's the road we were just on over there too.
Yep.
What the fuck? Gay driver. Oh, look at Parker's road.
Yeah.
So I
Hi. Bye.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know who that was. I was just being nice.
I need to go take a shit.
Well, thank you for sharing.
I know. TMI! TMI! TMI, fat ass. TMI, fat ass.
Brendan, why do you have to keep calling me that?
Because I like the fat thing.
That's mean.
Look, it's just one lonely person.
Oh, stop, Brendan.
One lonely thing.
Brendan. Why do you want to go?
Because I need to go take a piss.
Oh, you need. You better hope they're unlocked. Bump, bump, bump. Ow. Ow. Ow, ow. We'll be right back.
Can I say something? This is my whole bag. This is a small.
Okay, Brennan, stop.
Wait.
No, I'm.
Try it, sir.
Nope. Brendan. Excuse me, sorry guys.
When bicyclists need to... Caleb,
What?
when bicyclists need to go to the bathroom, be like...
Excuse me.
Nice perfect birth at the perfect time.
Yeah.
Harry D.
You want to go to Dairy Queen?
Harry Fat Boy. Let's go to the gas station.
No, we're not going to the gas station. We're
So I
going.
can fill up my ass. Put a pump up in my head.
Brendan, you know I'm making this for YouTube, right?
So? Your content creators deserve to hear what I want to say. I'm being honest, though.
I don't care, Brendan. Just what? Whatever. Ouch.
Okay, we can come to that lawnmower.
Yep.
Now this right here is what I want right here.
Yeah.
I want to stay out.
Harry Heen is open. Brendan.
I need to throw up.
No, you don't. Holy crap. Looks like Dairy Queen is busy. Do you still want to go to Dairy Queen? Do you still want to go to Dairy Queen?
Have a meal at the Chinese restaurant.
The Chinese restaurant. Brendan, you're such a dick. I just hope I don't know everybody in this freaking
I
area.
know most of the people and I do not want to go over there.
I know a lot of people in this area too.
I'm staying over here.
Let's just ride up around here first. Because I don't want to be near people I know. And they'd be like, hi, 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 hi.
Shut the fuck up!
Brendan!
It's rude. The public deserves to hear me swear.
They do not. We do
The
not.
public sucks. Let's go to the gas station up ahead.
Brendan,
I need to get more candy.
I'm on you. I'm going to be on you. I'm going to post this on YouTube.
So?
And you know, you do know Mom is subscribed to my channel, right?
Yeah, let's go bowling.
No.
Yeah, we can actually go bowling one day.
You do know that Mom subscribed to my channel, right? That means behave. Get off the phone. Are we still going to Harry Heen, Brendan?
Yes, Harry Heen. I should go to the field. We need to go car shopping.
We're not going car shopping.
Now.
We're not going to bike through Bremen's freaking...
Four.
You want to go through Bremen's?
Yeah, I have the right to. Is anybody coming? Yeah.
Hang on, guys. I'll be right back.
Fucking nice.
Hey, guys, we're back. You want to go right, Brendan? Turn to the right? No, this way. Have to go to Harry Heen. I don't know the time yet.
Oh yeah, we can always text Mom today that we're gonna be late. Again. 5th time in a row.
Brendan, you know she's gonna see this.
Why?
Because she subscribed to my channel.
Oh shit. No! Don't post that like a swear.
I'm posting it.
No, you're not.
Want to bet?